Okay, we got Domino's. Is this Domino's? Domino's for dinner. Okay. I have pepperoni and pineapple. I love pineapple on my pizza. Say what you want. We also have these garlic parmesan bites. Is that what these are called? I don't know. Do you just dip it in ranch? What about ranch?
Hey.
So good. We have ranch. This is my second mukbang today. Is my phone shaking? It looks like it's shaking. Let's try it with ranch. That's good. And then I have a Modelo to drink. Okay. The kids' pizza has Alfredo sauce, bacon, and chicken. You want pepper flakes?
No, it's okay.
No spicy today?
No.
What are your favorite toppings for pizza?
Actually, yeah.
I love veggie pizzas, like all veggies, or like a supreme with like meat and veggies, and Hawaiian pizza. I like any kind of pizza. Pizza is my favorite food. Pizza and wings. Let's add pepper flakes. So good. This was so last minute. We were not supposed to have pizza today.
Cheeseburger.
Yeah.
Did you guys see it on the road or something?
Well, we went grocery shopping. And then we went shopping at Stater Brothers, and Domino's is right next door. And then we smelt it, and AJ said, pizza. We haven't had pizza in a long time. So good. Our furniture was delivered today, but AJ's bed is actually broken. When he took it out of the box, it's the footboard that's cracked, so they have to order a new piece. And it's from Living Spaces, and they're so, everything is delayed. So it's gonna be another month. And I got my new bed, and I love it. It's so big. And then our dining table, I think, is coming on July 1st. So next week? Is that next week?
I don't think so.
Ooh. We also have dessert, Vanessa.
Yeah.
We ordered 2 medium. It's like a deal. You get 2 medium pizzas with 2 toppings each. These garlic cheesy bites, and then the cinnamon twist things. I forgot I have a beer. I just bought 1 can of beer at the grocery store. Do you guys eat your pizza with ranch? Oh my gosh, there's a lot of ranch on that. I love my pizza with ranch. I don't think like everyone does it. I know like everyone in California does it, but I don't know. Some states they don't do it. It's really gloomy today.
Yeah.
The kids went to the swimming pool again today. Did you guys have fun?
Yeah.
I haven't gone to the swimming pool since we moved here. For like 3 weeks already. Oh yeah, don't mind my nails. I was taking them off, but I couldn't get the thumbs off. I'm gonna go to the swimming pool on Saturday.
Yeah.
We're gonna start on dessert. I just finished that last slice of pizza off the camera.
Nice.
Should I just pour it on like the ones that we want or everywhere? Like how does
Maybe
this
the ones that we want.
how does this work? It's so thick. Like that is enough, you think?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
You're
Okay, let's
funny.
give this a try. I tried these before actually. They're really good. Mmm. You guys get some.
Hello.
These are so good when they're warm. It's warm still. Mmm. Want more icing?
Mm-mm.
Oh! Almost dropped it.
I don't even go anywhere.
It was so thick.